Be kind.
Little Cloud.
Today, while sitting quietly, I started thinking about feelings. The kind you don't see, but you feel them inside. So I picked up my marker, and slowly, a little unicorn appeared on my paper. He looked small. He looked quiet, just like his heart. In a far, quiet land, this little unicorn lived alone. No one listened to him. No one tried to understand. Others ran faster. Others spoke louder. And some made him feel different. As I drew his eyes, I could feel his loneliness. I gave his hair bright yellow, just like sunshine in the morning, making him feel happy, strong, and magical.
Be kind, be gentle every day. Help the people on your way. When you smile, the world smiles too. Goodness always starts with you. Be kind, be gentle every day. That's the best and brightest way. Use sweet words and speak with care. Little hearts need love to share. Be kind. Be kind. Be kind, be gentle every day. Help the people on your way. Speak with love and always share. Show the world you truly care. Be kind, be gentle every day. That's the best and brightest way. Be kind.
Each part I colored, each line I made, felt like I was telling a story about him, his little adventures, and his gentle heart. I softly colored his face white, pure, like peace. And for his hair, I chose warm yellow, like comfort, like hope quietly growing. Because even when he felt unseen, goodness still lived inside him. Time passed, and the little unicorn changed. Not louder, not harder, but stronger inside, braver in his heart. And those who once ignored him started to notice. I added soft colors to his body.
Be kind, be gentle every